Hello and welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you that how you can make money with Chat GPT on YouTube without showing your face and without recording your own voice. Okay, so first of all we will ask Chat GPT to create a script for it. I already have done this. I have this is my title, so let's suppose this is our title: top 5 places to visit in USA. So you will write a YouTube video script on then your title. So this gives me this script. Now the next thing that we want to do, we will create a voiceover, but as I mentioned earlier that we will not record with our own voice. So what we can do here, we can take this script over here and we will go into this. This is called voicebooking.com. This is AI voice generator. We will put our text here, and then you can choose the language from here, English, US, and then you can the voice that you want, male, female, or whatever, and then you can listen it if you want. Like, play this sample here.
Hello and welcome to our top 5 places to visit in the United States. Number 5 on our list is the Grand Canyon in Arizona. This natural wonder is a must-see, with its stunning...
That's how you can create your voice script. So we will download it from here. So you have to log in and then you will download this from here. And let's suppose that you have this audio file with you. Then you have to get random clips from the internet. Okay, so let's suppose that on number 5 he is talking about Grand Canyon in Arizona. So you will come to this website. This is called pexels.com. They have a free stock videos that you can use into your YouTube videos, and they will not claim any copyright strike. Okay, so the first thing is Grand Canyon in Arizona. So you can just copy this and you come here and search it. Now this will give us videos on Grand Canyon in Arizona. So as you can see that this is the Grand Canyon. Okay, so you can use these clips into your video while our voice is talking about Grand Canyon. You can use these clips. Okay, then on the next we have New York City. Okay, so we will copy this name and then we will come here and paste. Now it will give us videos of New York. So while this is talking about New York, you can add videos from here. Okay, so that's how you can create a video for YouTube without showing your face and without recording your own voice. Then you just have to create a video like this, post it onto your YouTube channel, and when your YouTube channel blows, get some views, then you will make money. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.